Just want to show you some of my techniques for drawing skeleton hands in Procreate. So I'll usually start with a picture of my own hand. I'll draw with the studio pen in the inking section of Procreate. Try to think about the hand in 3 dimensions. So this example here with the can, I actually draw the hand by itself, the can by itself, and then merge the two later. The other thing you might want to do is purchase like a pretend skeleton hand, from Amazon or something like that. That way you can position it and look at it while you're drawing. Or you can just look at your own hand, imagine where those bones are, and cross-reference, just like an anatomical picture of a skeleton hand, say on Google or something like that. And this is how the design ended up in a Insider's Collection graphic called Hold My Beer. Thanks for watching.